Decorate my space. Right now, we're gonna work with what we have, but I also have a few updates. So I went plant shopping, so we have a couple of plants already. And then today we're just gonna hang up a few things that I already had, and I'm gonna put them on my walls. So I just left the house, you know, just to go look for some plants. I really wanted aloe vera for my skin. And then this spot that I found, they have so many nice plants and like so many affordable ones. So I'm just getting one plant. I got 3 succulents. I already have the pots for them, so I was like, let me just get some succulents, really pretty ones. Then I got one monstera plant because I have a pot, and then I got a snake plant which I don't have a pot for. I found my spot. The thing is, now I'm worried that I'll just be buying plants. My house will be a jungle now. That's the thing, because now it's like I've started a cycle. Pray for me. But so far I have these plants, and then obviously I'm gonna get more like in the future, but I'm just really excited to pot them and to place them around the house. So this is the collection, y'all. I think I have about 8. So this one still needs a pot. So they came in these, or these came in these. I didn't get a new pot. What we want to do is to put in something in these 2 frames. So the person that was here before had a TV behind there, which I'm going to also have this one up there eventually. I have the stuff for mounting it, but then I don't have the energy to do it myself. Neither can I do it myself, like even if I wanted to. So I need help with that, but until then I've been putting these 2 little frames up there just to cover it up. Obviously you can still see, but then it makes it look better, and then it matches the black background, like the speaker, the TV, the black lamp there, black mirror, everything black. It matches. So today we're going to be painting. We're going to be painting something in these frames, something very simple. This is the weird angle, but we're going to be painting these 2 frames. We're going to be painting a picture for these 2 frames. So I'm going to need specific paper for paint. So I took out all my art stuff. A fun fact, I used to be a painter. So this is such a weird angle. I'm sorry, guys. So I took out all my sketchbooks so you guys can see. To take you guys down memory lane with me through all my art days. This is what I'm thinking. After that, I found an old frame and I decided to clean it up and reuse it. And since I was in the painting mood, I took out more of my paint and decided to paint something really simple because I didn't want to mess it up. I found a picture on Pinterest and I decided to copy it. And this is how it looks like with the frame. I think they look good together, and it matched my other frame that I had. I took some old decor plaques that I had and I just decided to mend them. I really liked how they looked, so I just decided to mend them by painting the sides because they looked a little bit rough and old. this old plaque, but I wanted to use it, but it was blue, so I decided to paint the whole thing brown just to match the aesthetic of my place. And then, since I had painted over the writings on the plaque, I decided to make my own writings. I used Canva and I created the text "Home Sweet Home." And then I decided to use gold paper to go with the brown. Then I cut out the text using my little cutting machine and I stuck it onto the brown plaque. And then I also had another plaque, a blue heart-shaped plaque, and I decided to cut out the writings La Maisonnette, and I keep messing up the pronunciation, but basically means small house in French. I had this thing which was my friend gave it to me. It's his good friend, our therapist that drink wine, which I've had it like for a while now. And then I thought I'll just keep it, but then change it up in the back and then have it outside next to the door. My other plants just chilling out here, as well as these plants that I'm taking care of. I'm growing more. But I have a plant in my kitchen. I have a plant here in the bedroom. So I'm done decorating. So in the kitchen, this is basically what I did. Just very simple. I think the colors of the match the table down here, even though the chairs are black. And then when you come in from the entrance, actually, this is the first thing you see. I'm really impressed with what I did here. I think that it was blue and it had something else written on it. And yeah, I used the Cricut Joy to write this there. And then these other things, I just had them already. I just prepared them. And then for the bedroom, I've just done the 2 frames there. I don't really like how the rose one looks, but it's fine. I just think the frames look good with everything that's black there. So I just like how everything complements each other here. But eventually this is gonna be on the wall where the frames are, just not now. So this is just a temporary situation. And then behind my bed there is nothing. This wall there is nothing. I just put the hat there. I'm gonna remove it because it looks kind of, I don't like it there. I'll show you guys where I placed all the plants, and that's what I have for now. Obviously with time I'm gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna get like a big plant for my room, a big plant for the corridor, more artwork, especially for my room because it's still pretty empty, but it's fine because I want to do something really nice in the corridor. I want to get like a mirror eventually. For now, I think I like it. It looks very nice, very cozy, very homey. I think that's it for now. As a video for decorating, I think this is pretty much it until I get like something really big, like a couch one day. Then I'll have another like decorating video. But for now, this is it. We're fully moved in, we're fully decorated. We're just living, doing little updates here and there for the place, but I really like how everything turned out. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. We want to reach 500 subscribers. Yeah, we need like about 60 more subscribers. So if you guys really like this content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.